Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to sign in Hotstar on a smart TV. So first of all, open the Disney Hotstar app. On the bottom left corner you will see my account. Click here. On the next page you will see two sign in options, phone number and Facebook or email. I will show you both sign in one by one. Here you can enter the phone number and here you can enter the email or Facebook ID. First of all, I will show you Facebook or email ID. When we select it, a code will appear on the screen. It gives the website and says login and enter the code there. After this, you will sign into Hotstar. Now I will show you the second method, that is with the phone number. To log in with your phone number, you have to purchase the plan first on your selected phone number. Then you have to enter the phone number here. After entering the phone number, click on Get OTP. It will send you a OTP code of 4 digits. Enter that code here. Now click on Verify OTP. It will verify the OTP and you will be automatically logged into your Hotstar app on your smart TV. Now here you can watch favorite programs on Hotstar. That's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.